Welcome back. My name is AlexBeltran. I talk real estate. Anyway, long gone are the days where sellers are going to get multiple offers with zero contingencies. Sellers are going to hate me for saying this, but you know what? Screw them. It's the buyer's time to shine. As of the time of this recording, interest rates are hovering at around 6-ish%, which means that if the sellers were already financially teetering, they have very few options left. They can either refinance at a much higher rate, which means that their mortgage payment is going to be that much higher. They can cut their losses and try to sell their home and collect what little equity they have left, or they can stay in their home and try to weather the storm. Here's what I've been seeing. The luxury market is already toast, especially the newly built luxury tract homes. Buyers that could afford $1 million last year can only afford roughly around $600,000 this year, which means that the pool of buyers has shrunk. So that $14 million property that's been sitting on the market for 72 days, go on ahead and just throw a little jab of an offer. I mean, I don't know, come in at $8 million and see what they come back with. And if they're offended, good, screw them. It's called business for a reason. Now quit being a pansy and give me a counter offer. Now you really want to focus on real estate that is not duplicatable, so stay away from luxury tract homes like this trash. Find views, ocean views, city views, mountain views, lakefront. Prioritize the plot of land that the property sits on. If you're gonna buy luxury, buy luxury. And if you can't find that, make sure that your house is located in a very good school district. The lower end of the market is going to be very different because the pool of buyers has now increased. So buyers are now competing with better qualified buyers that can afford more. Think of this as Jeff Bezos buying a Toyota Corolla. No matter what happens to the market as a whole, Jeff Bezos is always going to be able to afford that Corolla, no problem. Now, if you're one of those sideline real estate buyers that are waiting for the perfect time, now is the time. No more excuses. So what if interest rates are high? The Fed has already said that they're going to continue to increase interest rates because, inflation, it wasn't transitory. However, they're still lower than their all-time highs. I wouldn't be surprised if we see double-digit interest rates in the near future. Regardless, home prices are going to be lower. Buy the real estate, not the mortgage payment. Once the storm passes, refinance. Make your profit on the date of purchase. Remember, now's the time to start submitting offers. Think of them more as like jabs than full-on Deontay Wilder style knockout offers. You no longer have to submit your best and final offer. Lots of real estate YouTubers are telling people to target 30-day on the market properties. I say cut it in half and start targeting 15-day on the market properties. If they get offended, who cares? Just submit an offer to another property, but always try to get some type of counter offer. They may complain, but they'll do it. Obviously, with all this, do your due diligence. The numbers have to make sense. But right now is a great time to pick up an asset or two or more. Just don't get sloppy. Anyway, question of the day. What is your local real estate market doing? Seriously, I'd love to know. I love knowing what's going on in different parts of the US because I look all over the US for real estate deals. Go ahead and comment in the comment section down below. Love to hear your thoughts. With that said, I will catch you guys next week. Peace.